Massachusetts courtroom blocks gig worker poll degree sponsored by means of Uber. Lyft. Boston, Massachusetts top courtroom on Tuesday rejected a bid to ask electorate whether app-based rideshare and shipping drivers need to be dealt with as impartial contractors as opposed to employees, in a setback for businesses like Uber Technologies (NYSE), Uber, Inc. and Lyft, Inc. (NASDAQ). Lyft. The Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court's unanimous choice became a victory for exertions activists who fought to prevent a measure from appearing at the November ballot that they said contained loopholes that would create a subminimum wage for the drivers. Justice Scott Kofker said the poll query proposed via an industry-backed coalition went too far by means of which include a vaguely worded, unrelated suggestion that would restrict the organization's legal responsibility for injuries through their drivers. He said that intended Massachusetts Attorney General Maura Healey, a Democrat jogging for governor, wrongly certified it complied with Kingdom constitutional requirements limiting ballot measures to related subjects. Flexibility and benefits for Massachusetts drivers, an industry-funded institution that sponsored the ballot question, in a declaration criticized opponents for hard the measure in courtroom, announcing they sought to subvert the democratic system. Healey certified the query despite having sued Uber and Lyft to project their designations of their drivers as contractors. In an announcement, Healey stated she could preserve combating to ensure they have got the identical rights as all other personnel. The industry-backed proposal called for organizing an earnings ground identical to 120% of the state minimal wage for over 200,000 app-based drivers for companies like Uber, Lyft, Instacart and DoorDash Inc., or $18 an hour in 2023, earlier than hints. The businesses could be required to pay healthcare stipends if drivers work at least 15 hours per week. Drivers may also earn paid unwell time and paid family and medical depart. California voters authorized a comparable industry-backed measure in 2020 that might treat app-based drivers as independent contractors with some advantages. However, a decide later ruled it violated the state's charter.